Hey guys, Division RC here, and today I will be reviewing the Monoprice Mini Delta 3D printer. I've been wanting to get into 3D printing for a while now since my engineering teacher has a whole bunch of printers. I finally was able to save up and buy the Monoprice Mini Delta. I chose it because of its size and price and the configuration, which is a Delta, which are commonly known to be faster, but also known to have smaller build plates. This is a smaller build plate right here. Now, despite the issues I've had with it, I've had a sensor cable unplugged, which before that it was jamming itself into the bed, as you guys can see the damage here. But then I took the bottom off and realized there's a sensor unplugged. And then the G code, after that I did the test prints, worked, did my own prints, they didn't work, and I figured out it was Cura, the program that it came with, and I also known slicer. And I changed to a slicer called Slice 3R, as I'm showing you guys right here. And this, I was able to just download G code straight for this printer, and it works perfectly. I mean, it needs a little bit of adjustments here and there, but right now I've been using those and it works fine. And I'm glad it does, because I wasn't ready to do coding or anything like that for this. But I've watched plenty of reviews about them saying this is not a beginner friendly, but I'm not that much of a beginner since I've used 3D printers in school. Here is the second print I ever printed. It is a benchy boat. It's supposed to benchmark your printer, stress in all different ways. And as you guys see here, it looks alright. There's just there's stringing. I removed some. The very top, there's that little blob, like it wasn't getting any cooling. And then on the front of the nose, it looks a little bumpy, and the wording looks weird, but I mean, it's a small printer and it's small print, so I don't expect it to be exact. But really, it looks really fine, especially on the top and on the floor of the boat. I'm sure this thing will float perfectly, and I really only So first, I started off with 2 rolls of filament, blue PLA and white PLA, and you guys see here, I made a little fancy design. This is actually my first successful test print. It's just a little design. This is the filament extruder that feeds it into that hot end. Just pops on there, and as it's extruding, it just goes like that. I'll show you guys later. It does have 3 buttons for controls and a screen, colored screen. As you guys see here, there's little supports here. I've 3D printed these and then bolted them on underneath. They did not come with it, but there's just files on Thingiverse for it, because it allows more airflow as it's like really close to the surface that you're printing on, and it also makes it a tiny bit quieter as the fan's not too loud. Now, problems I've had with this, like I said, the sensor being unplugged, it also won't reach above, it used to not reach above 50 degrees Celsius with the prep bed. Now it won't reach above 45. Right now that's no problem because PLA sticks perfectly to this, but I think it's because of the power supply it came with. I might have to upgrade the power supply so it could get more power, because the hot end is taking all the power away from it. So right now I'm going to show you guys a little time lapse of a test print from it, and end the review from there.